Okay. What's the equation of the circle? And they're the endpoints. Well, then the diameter of the circle would be square root the distance, so that's 16 plus 16, which is root 32. 32 is 16 times 2, so that's 4 root 2. So the radius would be 2 root 2, and the midpoint would be the center. So that's minus 3, and 3 and minus 1 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. And minus 3 and 1 is minus 2, divided by 2 is minus 1. So I think the circle would be x minus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 2 root 2 squared, which would be 8. Okay, that's the A part done. Let's have a look at the B part now. Alright, next now. The circle C has that center as shown, and that line is a tangent to the C. Show that the radius of C is 6. So it would be the perpendicular distance. So by the perpendicular distance formula, that's modulus 3 times 5 minus 4 times minus 1 plus 11 over root 3 squared plus 4 squared. That's always nice. So that'd be modulus 15 plus 4 plus 11 over 5, which is modulus 30 over 5, which is 6. Mission accomplished. The line x plus py plus 1 equals 0 is also a tangent to C. Find the two possible values of p. Okay, so I wonder. It means the perpendicular distance between that line and this point here is also 6. So you have 6 equals modulus 5 plus p times minus 1 plus 1 over root 1 plus p squared. I don't like. So you get 6 root 1 plus p squared equals modulus of 6 minus p. Square everything. That's 36 plus 36p squared equals 36 minus 12p plus p squared. At least those 36's cancel. So that doesn't seem right. P is 0. Could be, I guess. So 35p squared plus 12. Oh no, I must have done something wrong here. This seems terrible. P times 35p plus 12 equals 0. P is 0 or minus 12 over 35. No, that can't be it. That's not. It's never usually this. It's never usually this messy. Oh, I just checked the marking scheme. That is the correct answer. I don't believe it. Alright, okay. Amazing, amazing. S is that circle and K is that line. Show that the line K does not intersect S. So at first I thought, oh, the perpendicular distance has to be more than the radius, but could that be enough actually? Because if it does intersect, yeah, actually I think that would be enough. Alright, so let's complete the square here. That's x plus 2 squared plus y plus 2 squared. So that will make x squared plus 4x and y squared plus 4y. It'll also make a plus 4 and a plus 4. It'll make a plus 8. But I need a minus 17. So I'll need to have minus 25. Yeah, minus 25. So equals 5 squared. Okay. So that's minus 2, radius of 5. So the perpendicular distance would be modulus of 4 times minus 2 plus 3 times minus 2 minus 12 over square root 4 squared plus 3 squared. Thank you very much. That's nice. That's modulus minus 8 minus 6 minus 12 over 5. That's minus 20. That's 26 over 5. Note 26 over 5 equals 5.1, which is more than 5. So it means then that the perpendicular distance d is more than the radius. So there's no intersection here. Okay. Yeah, good. Find the coordinates on point S that is closest to K. Oh, now that's interesting. So you've got your point, you've got your circle here. And what did I say? Minus 2, I think. And radius is 5, but 26 over 5 is the distance out to the line. This point here, very interesting. So I need to find a point on the line that is 26 over 5 away from minus 2, 2. Okay, so I need the square root of x minus x1 squared. Well, I'll fill in the numbers. X minus minus, so plus 2 squared, plus y plus 2 squared equals 26 over 5. So that's square root x plus 2 squared plus y, and y is minus 4x minus 12 over 3 squared equals 26 over 5. Squaring everything. So I have x plus 2 squared plus the minus doesn't matter here because you're squaring, so it's 4x plus 12 over 3 squared equals 26 squared over 5 squared. So I get x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 16x squared plus 96x plus 144 over 9 equals 26 squared over 25. I'll multiply by 9, so I get 9x squared plus 36x plus 36 plus 16x squared plus 96x plus 144 equals 26 squared times 9 over 25. Okay, 25x squared, and then 36 and 96 is 12, 13, 132, 132x, and then 144 and 36, that makes it 10, 180 equals 26 by 26 by 9 over 25. Time to get my calculator out. I've reached my limit. So let's see now. Reached my limit. 26 times 9 divided by 25. Yep, that's not anything pretty. Let's make some space on the top. Oh, I hope I didn't make an algebra mistake. So maybe I'll multiply by 25. Should I? The distance was 26 over 5, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's see now. Will I multiply by 25 or just... Okay. 25x squared plus 132x, and then 180 minus that guy is minus 1584 over 25 equals 0. Sorry, that got cut off. Maybe I will multiply by 25. So 25 by 25 is 625 x squared plus 3300 x minus 1584 equals 0. Okay. It's a quadratic. No, it does not have nice answers, which means I made a mistake perhaps, or I'm going about this the wrong way. Let's see. Maybe there's some other smart way to do it. Maybe a bit more geometry perhaps. So I have the line here. 4x plus 3y plus 12 minus 12 equals 0. And there's a point here on the line. Find the coordinates on the point on S. Well, actually, firstly it's on the circle. So I'm actually... Do I even need this point? Maybe. Oh, they're perpendicular. So I need the point. Okay. Okay, I should be looking at the slope. So here you have 3y equals minus 4x plus 12. Oh, and I've realized why my answer didn't work out. Because I made a sign mistake, didn't I? I said minus 12. So that's why it didn't work out. Okay, well, there you go. Okay, so the slope here is minus 4 over 3, whereas this one here would be 3 over 4. So I want the point on the circle where the slope is 3 over 4. Okay, so that is tangent time. 2x plus 2y dy dx plus 4 plus 4 dy dx equals 0. So dy dx equals minus 2x minus 4 over 2y plus 4, and that's the equal 3/4. But still need to sub it into the line, the circle. Maybe it'll be a nicer equation though. So that would be minus 8x minus 8. Ah, come on. Minus 16 equals 6y plus 12. So I've got 6y equals 8x plus 16. No, I don't. I have 6y equals minus 8x minus 28. Y, no, that's not really any better. Then I have to sub it in here and solve that quadratic. No, that's the same boat as before. No, I feel like I can do it a better way. Here is minus 2 minus 2. And we know that the radius is 5. And I know that this slope here... Actually, perhaps I should draw it more accurately. I think it would have been on this side, actually. Because, yeah, this m is 3/4. So I need to, for every 4 units I go out here, I'll rise by 3. this here would be 5. Oh, but is the radius 5? It is. Aha. So, if I go out 4 and go up 3, I'll have a distance of 5, which is the radius. So I've reached the edge of the circle. It has the correct slope. So all I have to do is add 4 and add 3. That's it. Minus 2 plus 4, 2, 1. 2, 1? Is that the answer? It is. Oh, I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. And that's so much better than trying to solve a quadratic. I'm quite happy. Quite happy. Excellent. Excellent.